Okay guys, this is what we're waiting for. This is my Railroad Crossing Gate toy from One Video Wash Shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. It's got LEDs, and it got a button right here, and it got a gate. And the one is the back of it right here. And there's the mechanical bell right here. And let's see if I can try this out. Here we go. As you can see right here, it's got LEDs light right here. And one of these gates, there's a button. You press that button right here. You click that right here. As you can see right here, they got a mechanical bell. There's a bell sound right here. It takes 3 AA batteries. You see, I unscrew it right here. You got to unscrew it right there. So when you click it again, it goes back up. Pretty cool, huh? And now I'm gonna talk about something for a minute. And now, what you can't see is the button right here. Where you press this button, you can hold it like that for 1 second. So you go press it 1 second for 2 minutes, and 10 minutes. After 2 minutes, it'll rise back up again, and then 10 minutes, it'll go back down again. And it'll repeat. So you go hold it. You see? Instead of the red lights here flash, I can't do it for 10 minutes because I can't do it for years. It's going to take so long. So you will press it again, you hold it for 1 second, it goes off. And you see it goes back up. And you see that sign, Railroad Crossing, from One Video Wash Shop. So now, I'm going to do it from the back of it. Let's just make it go all the way down. You can see one in the back of it, just because this is awesome. I love with the button. So now you can see, so you press the button. So I'm gonna do one more time. Alright, so now we press that button again. And now, as you can see, thank you for watching. Just please like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.